na bato nam Hotspur no na Abudiabi na ase onhye na nyo obi a na obi a wogidi woni so obetima ye adwuma no de ni anim aba Mauricio Pochettino na ye se o de Southampton aba bepiem into the Premier League. We're building one of the most solid teams in the Premier League with the likes of Sadio Mane in that particular setup. Enya results. It had never been more Tottenham Hotspur. Your new the culture and the ethos. Culture near say club nankasa or culture so be promote academic graduates. You free as said my head. They have an ethos that you have to believe in yourself as an academy player, where Obetima rises to the top and be the face of the club. No to be the Omaji BB. It omuji to me said this is a man wako Celtic. What me akobo no modern was Celtic. Etimi agi 2 league titles. Now would you say the system ni procedure ni no more ye wo ho no. He respects their culture so well. The ethos of the club, he understands it so well. And omuji 2 years on the bar obetima ye adwuma. Now one statement omuji 2 years of course Celtic odika oka ya e mo omuji ni 2 say we oba club ma offer club culture in ni agro no. Say no money Rangers airborne. No more share Rangers by 3-0. Ama in the press conference, Omuko Busa and they say, what is his motivation? And didn't think the mom would put up that particular solid performance. And also a court dress room or catching the players, and they say, players need to no more stadium monum than the Parado over 60,000. Obia baby and Obia the problem for a year day. A buy. But the club needs to be renewed in the next few minutes or next few days, you know. Amount for an anipa 60,000 no obia with different problems no obia rebefi say and am the PMO stadium due to the fact that yes Celtic yetimi Ashe Rangers and that is what did the magic for them omuji to say suspicious in your man kasa bisa no and more with the level of confidence say we ebe PMO Tottenham Hotspur in terms of respecting the culture of the club he's going to be one particular person obetimi abomo Onyange any top trophy in the top 5 leagues but omu ogidi say said the Mauricio Pochettino buy na ankoye no ekoye de man no we ba nyoma betima akoye e de amano in that particular aspect of improving academic graduates making sure some moton ko dan ketenketi bi no mo obetima hwe so then the culture and the ethos of the club no obetima to Abudiabi inkomodi de dia do akira by next week papa e friend Daniel Levy Daniel Levy na nkasa no supporters ni nsem bebre no mo kana nkasa no Daniel Levy susu hu ni se makofa mu bia ya ma mekofa konti bai amfa Conte ba no agi Premier League ana meboa Conte ba no agi the Italian Serie A meboa oye winner omukofa Jose Mourinho de ba Jose Mourinho agi Champions League twice no de ba wo and we Jose Mourinho we had dominant force for England winning the league back to back Jose Mourinho akwaje trouble wo Inter Milan Jose Mourinho akwa Real Madrid ni nyina ba ekosi sei that is where coach Ayefra na papa friend Daniel Levy gina sese na Abudiabi I think sir I might have to agree with Daniel Levy in terms of this particular aspect in making sure say you betimi e criticize nabu eno na branch friend William Saliba so issue about it all William Saliba extending the contract in former Arsenal William Saliba say wo twen kakra wo dream you mabi hu kakra but abu ni titi yemu ni na na say Paris Saint-Germain offer a branch friend William Saliba 15 million euros a year so onya Arsenal ho no mesi akan fa mo omuji tumi say Nodi Mukwele na me say kai aye de aba say so ma move Danilo e de na ba chire so mbabo as a center back Sergio Ramos AAG they need a young and energetic center back to pair with a Abrante friend Marquinhos e we chiro iti Abrante we so a French baby onyini baby free buy so they feel they can convince him with the PSG project just like they did with Mbappe na omra no mesia kan enfa momo isi se Paris na Abrante no embe present omo ba Abrante na nkasa trase no di kobo so hwe chiri na o dey Arsenal qualify for Champions League o had the project under Mikel Arteta they are closer to winning a trophy it is definitely otna na say bi o gene 10 million euros no ebetimi aboa the secret to Saliba staying it is not about Arsenal as a club but it is Mikel Arteta who have transformed Abrante we abrabo anyhow I was akobo of France omuji ni tum wo there but Paris Saint-Germain is using money they are using a lucrative offer but Mikel Arteta is making sure babu as it stands Saliba na nkasa there or 80% tone in renewing his contract at Arsenal say obetimi esiakan ediamom he believes in prestige he believes Arsenal is a historical club and obetimi in your mama no only if say Paris Saint-Germain be a 15 no mas out to and them so his can no when home media obetimi assistance the branch and decide say obetna na wabodi Arsenal tima your friend or Arsenal e pa branch friend fresh neda Omakwa kodi di nkomo bebre ba branche no omo pe no mo tonu wi ompese omo loading the back na osi akan na Abu Dhabi hu branche na nkasa ne form ne nyoma a wo ye na bejitu bi say Arsenal presenting about 15 million euros no betimi secure the deal then they loan him back but ena no pay nkomo dodo na ekoso na ya branche fe ne Declan Rice Abu Dhabi Arsenal any branche papa di nkomo adro chire papa
Declan Rice
yes
rather we do bomber kan yeso oh we bad there na there
Arsenal say ono ne papa na manage no
yes
ama papa ne Arsenal asia di nkomo and there has been a personal conversation between Declan Rice and Mikel Arteta ana Mikel Arteta aka che ne say Thomas Partey body e jogino age me do ba una ba be the pivot of your team no Partey ne dey him say be rotating number 2 any 8 oh baby but who dey do ba na be si aka ne ma ya una say ne ya dey ana ba be je Arsenal na boso besides London na we see aka London ya ma wo free wo because West Ham London Kronum come so say bo amaye UEFA Champions League boso a national team so no bogu so abo show mate obi e bo Champions League nko wode iti aha na Arsenal dia convince boy na ma boy na nkasa te ase afam so obetima kwakosi akan dia momo na no na Abu Dhabi West Ham tena city na West Ham say no who ye ntimi nton 100 million pounds Arsenal mo 120 million pounds am famra 120 million pounds Abu 120 million pounds they Declan Rice in deserve says cano. Now I don't know Abu Dhabi 120 million pounds no mudi come on na Manchester United so abo Manchester United koya almost Declan Rice yeah to wan kase wadan for power ne nam Messi Mount ya sure ni Messi Mount ba be piem Manchester United e betimi aboa odwen wo say and almost akọ West Ham akọ catch West Ham say West Ham ani je Harry Maguire in the shape of David Moyes. So Manchester United wants to add Harry Maguire and Niska. No more akwa kopiem West Ham, no ma catch West Ham say munye we. Ya the 60 million pounds and the 70 million pounds e ka mo fa Declan Rice nye dey. Emaye. It is here Declan Rice papa no or torn between two things because sisi ano or chairman Manchester United so ne West Ham edi nkomo ahwe. Na omo ankasa hwe skombe of Declan Rice amana ba besi akande amomo. Manchester United is ready to pay 250,000 pounds a week for Declan Rice. Arsenal Etia na 180,000 pounds a week. Sane Gina say, Anna West Ham so no deal ebe ko ye dia momo na be momo ja branch. This boy does not want to leave West Ham as a villain. Manchester United offer Harry Maguire plus money for Declan Rice. And omo de ade enticing ye say ye beto Messi Mount so the number wadan for pa. Just to entice them. And when Arsenal so the project and entice no. Arsenal man 180,000 pounds. Arsenal so person mo try ne say. Sa 120 million dey 8 million twe be twa 100 million no class so this etichem.
Dey aba. Dey no so almost pese player account.
It is here papa no team fifi. Ana papa no almost ye mo mbre kakra. But after the Europa Conference League no, Declan Rice and then the papa e be mehu a clear direction of where they've chosen. So betime movie akwakosi akan. Na no na Abu Dhabi Harry Maguire there, say West Ham for near bridge. Abu, Moises Caicedo there, say baby ejina no. Chelsea near bridge some person mo fam Moises Caicedo. E dey ka Ugarte. Ugarte Chelsea offer 3 million euros a year. Abu 3 million euros a year. Bema. Uchiche madam is be 40,000 pounds a week no Abu. Ugarte. PSG so Abrante Nembeje 10 million euros a year. Abu Tiwa 10 million euros, 3 million euros. It's a much Chelsea super so we put the attention of getting Moises Caicedo. So I be see a kind of munya any official thing. But Abu, me do see her. I say Liverpool there. Ope kefra tuam ne manukoni. Umpeso betua. Leipzig ba player who are 45 50 sa person the buy back soon.